Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make these beautiful faux rocks using a lightweight concrete mixture called Papercrete. Using this method, you're able to create custom rocks for your garden in any shape or size you would like, and they fit in really well and they look natural. So if you're interested in learning that, keep on watching. Alright, so step number one is to mix up the Papercrete mixture. The recipe is 3 parts paper pulp, 2 parts Portland cement, and 1 part perlite. If you want to learn more about how I make paper pulp, please look at the video that I'm going to link for you. In that video, I go over step by step on how to make paper pulp very easily. So I like to get in there with my hands, wearing gloves of course, and I really make sure that that mixture is well combined. And then the next step is I laid down some parchment paper so that the faux rocks wouldn't stick to my surface. And then I went ahead and just free-handed these rocks in the shapes that appealed to me. So here's a quick tip when working with Papercrete. If you're wanting smoother texture on the outside, you can use some water and pat that on top of the surface and that'll smooth it out a little bit more. If you're wanting a rough textured rock, I would say don't use this method, but I really like the results that I got with using a little bit of water and patting around the edges and really smoothing that out. So this next step is really important. You're going to want to cover your project with plastic. The reason for this is you want the Papercrete to cure and dry out slowly, and that's what gives it strength. So I kept it under the plastic for about 7 days, and then I gave it another 3 days outside of the plastic without picking it up or touching it. I just left it there for another 3 days. And then this is the result. So as you can see, there are still some darker spots, especially on this bigger one, because it is still drying out, but it's definitely dry enough now to handle without fear of it crumbling. So what I did is I took a little bit of sandpaper and I knocked off that ridge that was at the bottom just to smooth it out, give it a little bit more of a natural and finished look. So I've had some people comment on my previous videos about Papercrete. Do they mold? Do they break down over time? And I've had planters that I've made with this exact same process that I didn't do any sort of sealer on or anything, and they have not gotten moldy. They have not broken down. They're still in really good shape. So this is my final result. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I personally think they turned out pretty convincing. I'm excited to make more. I'm thinking about maybe doing enough that I could make an edging for a flower bed. So I have a lot of Papercrete projects and videos coming up for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.